Hey everyone, if you want to use Miro templates in 2026, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you how to find and customize templates to save time and improve your workflow. First, Miro templates are ready-made board layouts designed for brainstorming, project management, diagrams, and collaboration. Start by signing in to your Miro account and opening your dashboard. Click New Board to start a fresh workspace. Inside the board, click Templates to access Miro's template gallery. You can search for templates like mind maps, flowcharts, SWOT analysis, Kanban boards, and more. Choose the template you want and click Use Template to add it to your board. Edit text, colors, shapes, and sections to fit your needs. Invite others to view or edit the board and collaborate in real time. You can save your customized board and reuse it for future projects. For better productivity, start with templates instead of building everything from scratch. A common mistake is using overly complex templates that contain unnecessary sections, and that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Miro templates in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.